Welcome back, friends and neighbors. While I have before accomplished feats of the sewing and fabric repair variety, I have never actually repaired an article of clothing that I intended to continue to wear. And what you're seeing is my first attempt at this. Our first mission is this. As you can see, there's a hole in my pants. If you eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed it in my videos. But I had an angle grinder accident. It didn't have a blade in it. It was a wire brush incident, but it got wrapped up in my pants and tore a hole in them and threatened to begin grinding a hole through my leg, but luckily I stopped it before that. But we did lose some pant in the process. I've got a little patch of fabric here. This is from the underside of the chair that I'm sitting on, and that's what we're going to do. Now, as somebody who does repair things, there's kind of two philosophies about repair. You can repair something in a way where nobody notices, and you're going to repair things in a way that is conspicuous. Why would we want to do that? Because it tells part of the story of the pants. It's part of the pants story that they were damaged and then subsequently fixed. Somebody cared enough about them to fix them. That's meaningful. Sorry, that really touched me. The pants have a story to tell, and this is part of its story. But I actually am interested in finding another piece of this because I want to do a little pants sandwich with two pieces of fabric. But I don't know where I put it. Alright, scratch that plan because I can't find that piece of fabric. But anywho, I'm going to use a product to affix this to the pants. This is kind of cheating, I understand. Called Liquid Stitch, which is a kind of fabric glue. And this is how we're going to do this. These are work pants. These don't need to look fancy. They just need to be functional and they need to be repaired permanently. And so if this ends up not working, we will go through and stitch them. But in the interest of time and expediency, we're going to use this Liquid Stitch product, which is worth having around, by the way. Let's do some bits at a time. There we go. Believe it or not, I have a tool for this when I get all the way around. There we go. I just want to get everything nice and comfortable with each other. And we'll let that dry and we'll see what happens next. In the meantime, we'll address our second problem. These pants are missing their zipper. The zipper is there, but the zipperer is not. Now I bought one, but I don't really know how this is going to work. And I have a plan A and plan B. There's some instructions on here, that's nice. Luckily, this appears to be the right length. Now I could go through and simply affix this zipper to the pants using perhaps the Liquid Stitch if we were so inclined. I also could, I guess, decouple this from the from here and try to attach it onto this, but I don't know if the teeth are the same size. It's not a good way to test that. Let's try to just add this to the pants. Well, this might be a tight little move. Let's do it. I suppose I could simply glue this on top of the other one, or behind the other one, kind of right next to it, and I guess that would work. I'm not opposed to it. Let's do that. Actually, let's not be too precious. And we just let that dry as well. Hey neighbors, it's about 85, 86, 87 seconds since that last clip. I realized it would have been a smarter idea to remove the old zipper first. But I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna see what happens. I don't know about this. I changed my mind. I don't know about this. May have to revisit these on another day. See, here's the problem. It just looks like my fly is down all the time. Because yeah. We'll revisit these in part 2. Oh, yep, there's Mr. Warden. There's Patch. Well, hopefully this video was a little lighter than, hopefully this video was a little, lighter. Subscribe for more.